just step on in. If you can dodge the Joeys and the steam and the din, you come in through the back door, always have, always will. No path to the front, just the mud and the chill. Concrete tubs on the left, hot water on the right, ring a washing machine growling morning and night. There's a Joey in an apron swinging on the line. Laundry smells like soap and fur in yesterday's time. If you're looking for a hallway mate, you're already lost. This house don't do polite, it just shrugs the cost. Step in! What do you see? Steaming noise! Wipe your feet! Mind the Joey, that's our choice. Built for a family, built to last. But no one ever planned the way you'd pass. Straight through the laundry, that's the way we go. Past the heat and the clang and the water flow. You don't ease in gently, you just arrive. Welcome to the house where the place feels alive. Yeah, straight through the laundry, don't slow down. If it makes no sense, then you're in the right town. Now Grace says kitchen, don't ask me where, but I can draw it blindfolded, swear it's still there. Fireplace by the door, stove humming away. Orange walls holding up another long day. That table in the middle, that's sacred ground. Dentists talk Bible stories, elbows all around. Funny thing is, we both recall the same old scene, just not the bits that sit in between.